For updates, check out www.facebook.com for all the news, mga updates, and what's going on, and schedule.
Yeah, and yun nga, no, yung mga pumasok at magbababay na sa atin.
Oo.
At may magbababay sa atin.
Ayan, our face of the day, Camille Kawili, 24 years old from Quezon City.
Ayan na yung babay. Wala pa?
There. There. She was making sure na may laman yung pizza eh. Mamaya box lang pala.
Nahin na pala natin. Tayo yung unang suspect dyan pag nawala yan.
Hindi, si Bianca. Mas malapit si Bianca.
Sabagay, sabagay. Tama ka dyan.
Ang dami.
Para tayong Powerpuff Girls dito, di ba? Well, ang PNP, 7 attack points so far. Ang Philippine Navy with 7.
Well, yun nga yung sinabi ni Mick Laborte. Pag natin expect na mabablock, kailangan tulungan. Off the blockers. Oh! That is good, That is good. Laborte.
And itong si Mick Laborte, mukhang gusto niya to set the tone. Well, ang isa nilang kailangan ay ito, Rosale, for 10 total attempts, 7 ang na-convert niya. So, which means 70% siya. Napakalaki nun. So, I think, kailangan hanapin ni si Kite. Lalo na pag nandun siya sa front line. Si Molina, on the other hand, 11 attempts, 7 din ang nagawa. A little over 60, mga 63%. Taas.
Oo, very high percentage shots by both players.
Pero ang nangyayari naman dun sa depensa na binabanggit nga ni Coach Nene kanina, itong Philippine Navy kasi 2 digs pa lang in this game. Imagine, 2 digs pa lang. Pero ito PNP 12 na.
Oh boy. Well, again, kailangan natin i-remind yung viewers natin, this is a do or die match. Whoever wins this will join the other 5 teams in the next round. The loser will join FEU and they will watch home.
Malay mo dito. Masaya. Pwedeng manalo ng Shakey's Pizza.
That's right. And a good block. Si Dave and Labrador teaming up for that.
Mia now comes in for Labrador as Mirabueno. Also for Janet Serafica. Siguro kay Coach Nene, maiba lang ng konti ang diskarte.
That's true. Well, you're down by 10. Kailangan talaga maghanap ka ng spark plug. Sangmuang good serve.
Well, poor second ball. Miscued on sa parte ni Prochina and Mirabueno.
Very tentative yung pagkakuha nila ng second ball. Sangmuang, another good serve. Prochina. Good dig. Si Tave. Marciano.
Just went for that flight and got another point for PNP. Tignan nyo naman yung lipad nito.
Ito, slow-mo is perfect para makita nyo.
Ayun, no? Elevation. Tama pag nasa PNP o nasa Philippine Air Force na.
Oo nga eh. Suson. Concepcion. Backdoor. Well, a service error para to kay Patrick Sangmuang, but PNP still has set point.
Well, si Coach Nene, when everything's lost, talaga naman you just go back to basic.
Yeah.
Yun lang talaga. And ang una mong babalikan dyan is your basic defense pattern. Kasi para doon sa unang bola, for the first ball.
Yun yung sabi nga ni Coach Nene, pattern, follow the pattern.
Mia, mistiming that attack.
Prochina. Serve Concepcion. Kay David. Basa ni Laborte. Suson. Single block. Laborte. Binalot kay Suson. David.
David did not expect that. She was already going forward for defense.
Cochina again. Good serve.
Good receive. Wow. Mia getting that single block.
That's right, single block. No, at least she made amends for yung earlier error niya. And PNP, 2 sets to none. We can see her shake and play. This is Marciano with the help of the net. And PNP takes a commanding 2 sets to none with a 25-14 win.